Sometimes when working on vintage equipment, such as this Technics M216 tape deck, you struggle to find the occasional part here and there. On this particular deck, I actually split one of the retaining washers that actually holds the cassette drive assembly in place, and I just wanted to show a quick video on how to make your own replacement for one of those retaining split washers. This is actually a really simple process. All we need are 4 pieces of equipment. Firstly, a suitable material. Now I've got this, I think this is a heat shield, a insulation shield from an old satellite receiver or something like that. It's quite a nice, thin, malleable plastic. We need a hole punch. Now this is just a generic leather hole punch. I've been using this for a long time for this purpose. We need some kind of pin, can be pretty much anything, and some kind of heating device to heat the pin. So basically all we do is we punch out a suitable size disc. So I'm just going to use this size for now, but you can obviously select the size that you need for your particular application. So I'll just punch out the disc. It's not that easy, I've used this a lot, so it's not overly sharp, so I just tend to do both sides. And then it comes out. Oops. Do that again. As I just throw it across the room. Okay, there's my disc. I'll literally just heat up the pin. Hold the disc and a pair of tweezers, and we'll literally just poke the pin through the centre to make a hole. Which looks something like that. Just like that. If we need to, we can just reheat the pin again. And just elongate the hole some more. To make it the size that we desire. And it's as simple as that. On occasions these have a cut in them. You can just go ahead and use a utility knife to cut that guy also if you wish. So there you have it. The simple way to make a retaining washer for a tape deck, VCR, that kind of thing. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.